Hello there. If you're watching this video, you probably want to make your own Snapchat account into a business account. How you do that is you go to Snapchat, business.snapchat.com, and then you are given this page. On this page, you can either choose to log in or continue with Google. But if you don't have an account yet, you can just sign up, which is what we're going to do. Then it's going to ask for a name. It's going to ask for an email and a password and your birthday, of course. It's like signing up to anything else. So after you've signed up, it's going to ask for a username. You can enter whatever name you like. So this how other people are going to find your account. So you're just going to enter your name. You can also enter a website, but it's optional. You don't have to. So if you have a website that's linked to your brand, you can also enter that. And then you can also import brand assets. I just leave this on, and you don't really need to have it on, but I just leave it on. So, as we can see, it's a success. We have already created a profile. Then, if we want, we can add a profile photo and a biography. We don't have to again, but we can just type something. And then we can add our picture, and well, I'm just gonna skip that step. And then it's gonna ask your phone number. Again, you don't have to, and I'm not going to, but that's pretty much it. So after you've done that, it's gonna redirect you to this page right here, and that means you have successfully created your business account. From here, you can manage ads and all that good stuff that comes as perks of having a business account. So that's pretty much it. That's the whole process. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and if you like to see more videos like this, you can just leave a like, subscribe, and share this video if someone has the same problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.